2010 GL 450. Going to be replacing this window switch here. Step number one, take your tool, find the clips, pop this trim panel off, just like that. That's all there is to it. Then you'll have these screws up in here, one there, and looks like none there, or this has already been messed with. So we're gonna have one there, which is T30. Take that out. Then we need to remove this mirror trim panel here. Just like that. Pull up on it, disconnect it and remove it. And next, remove this locking switch. To do that, you have to push both of these buttons simultaneously and then get your fingernails on this right here and pull that out, and that will pop this switch loose. And then disconnect the ribbon cable. Behind there is another T30. Remove that. Now we need to start removing the door liner, door trim panel. Start at the bottom and work our way up the sides. The best way I find to do this is to take your tool, slide it in, find the clips, just like that, and use the tool and your fingers underneath the door panel and pull right where the clips are, and then they will pop loose. Work your way all the way up each side to the top, and once you get to the top, door panel should be home free, although it might take two hands. Once you get all the clips off, you need to lift it up and inwards. Maybe just give it a little taps and it will come loose from this strip right here. Then you need to undo the bowing cable right here, as well as these two ribbon cables. Bowing cable looks like it's just snapped in here. Pull it back, up and out, and you can unhook it from there, no problem. And you see you got these here. They just pop out. Like that. And you're home free. Now the switch itself is right here, and it is held in by two T20s and these little clips. So you can either cut this open to access it, or just take a long T20. Take the screws out. Once you take those two screws out right there, the only thing that is left is one communication cable right here. You just push the tab down, unlock it, and out it comes. That one right there. That's all there is to it. Put your new switch in, put your screws back in, and put everything back together. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.